Hi, I'm Todd Andrews. Classic Metals is my business. We manufacture metal for the industrial, commercial, agricultural, and architectural industries. We're located at 2656 Lancaster Highway here in Chester, South Carolina. Been in business since January 2007. Got into the new tech standing seam business probably about 24 years ago. We've tried other machines, and new tech's kind of where we landed up. So how I got started in this business was in 1996. My stepdad started a metal roofing company in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and asked me if I wanted to come work for him. And at the time, I was 25 years old. So I dropped everything and lived in his basement. He paid me $500 a month to work for him, working 12 hours a day. And he said he would teach me a business. So fast forward 27 years, and I've kind of taken over where he left off between manufacturing metal roofing and also selling equipment and helping others get started in this business, teaching the younger generation how to manufacture metal, how to fold trim, and how to make a living.